When a new person join our team, it trigger our automation, it assign all the tasks to the person and send an email with an attachment. So let's see how this work. So in first level we have DV staff where we store all the information about our new staff members like name, email, the position and the hire date when we hire that person. And these are other columns I explain you later. This is DB template task. So when a new employee is hired, we need to assign few tasks to the person. So these are the tasks for our company, and these are days after hire. This field we write. So when the person hire, after 1 day he need to complete this task, and after 3 days he need to complete this task. So these are the tasks we need to assign to the person, and these are the actual tasks. So we can track the task for the specific staff member and we can see if it's done or not. So this is we completely do with automation, so we don't need to do manually here. I explain you a bit. And this is our table for onboarding resource. So whenever the new people join our company, we need to send this handbook of our employee handbook company to the person. So let's see how this work. So here this button is do all of our automation inside a table. So it basically run a script. I write an script here which assign all the template tasks to the particular person, and it trigger our automation too. You can see this script here. Okay, and here is one thing more. Let's say your company is growing and you add a new task here like sign up for company computer. Okay, and this you need to do after 2 days of hiring. So now when the new employee is join our company, let's say Steven, and he join as finance manager. His hiring date is today. So right now I press this button manually, but you can simply use Coda native automation to run the same script. So whenever the new row is created or the new person join our team, if you run this script, the what the script is done is, let's see, when you press this button, it assign all 4 tasks to that person like you see here, and also add the handbook to the person. Now you can see we have the 4 tasks. So the new person have the 4 new tasks here, but what about ln or other threes? Because we already assigned 3 initial tasks to the person, they only need to assign this new task. So we can simply press this button. What this button do now, it filter out all the tasks and see if they already assigned. So it filter out and add only new task here. You can see here these people have 3 tasks like this, and this person have the 4 tasks too. So we assign all the people same. So that's how you can do it. It completely do with automation using Airtable native automation, and it trigger our automation too. So let's see how this work. I create a new column in checkbox, and its checkbox is true when the old task is not empty, handbook is not empty, and our trigger is okay. So when the trigger is okay, we run this simple script here. So let's choose a new record here from Steven. He is new people. So let's see And here is our run the script. We simply call the webhook from Mac. So let's see how this works. We run it once and we test this here. So we can simply call this webhook from Mac, and we can see here automation is running. And let's see how this automation works. We simply call this webhook and we get the record ID of the row. Then we use get a record from a table to get all the records from the person, the hiring date, the name, the email, the position. Then we use get file to download the file, and then we upload the file on Google Drive. And here we simply write an email to the person, like the subject, the HTML body part, and we add an attachment to, so the person get the email with the attachment. Like, see, it's not refresh here. Okay, so here we get our email. Welcome to Leverage Stephen, and this is all customized email with the attachment here. And in our base we can see email is sent to the Stephen, and here are all other fields. So we can see the onboard progress for Stephen. Let's say we mark some of tasks with Stephen, like we do all three tasks with Stephen. You can see the progress here, the total task, and all other task details here. So that's how we can do it. I use manual process to show you everything. You can simply use this script in your Airtable automation. So whenever new person is joined, it run this script, it assign all the task to the person and the handbook, and then it run our automation and it trigger the make webhook and send an email to the person with an attachment. So you can track everything inside your Airtable base, the task progress and the email status too.